An elegant living room combines comfort, style, and utility. PVC wall panels are a contemporary way to add elegance to these areas. PVC wall panels provide innovative ways to turn living rooms into elegant and sophisticated areas because of their adaptability, robustness, and variety of designs. This video examines the different ways PVC wall panels can be used to enhance living room interior design and produce breathtaking visual effects. Sleek and modern PVC wall panel styles for living rooms. The living room is a key component of the aesthetics of a house, and PVC wall panels have become a revolutionary tool for designing sleek, contemporary spaces. Polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, is a great material for modern living areas because it provides a wide range of design options that combine practicality and flair. In this examination of PVC wall panel designs for living rooms, we explore how these panels can be used to create spaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and in line with contemporary design principles. A startling variety of styles and finishes can be found when exploring the world of PVC wall panels. PVC panels are now valued for their aesthetic versatility rather than being viewed as merely functional components. The options are endless, ranging from matte textures that radiate sophistication to glossy finishes that reflect light and create a sense of space. These designs are now being used by both homeowners and designers to give living rooms a contemporary feel. The ability of PVC wall panels to resemble other materials is one of their most remarkable qualities. PVC can be used to simulate wood, stone, or even metal finishes, giving them the beauty and allure of these materials without the expense and upkeep involved. This adaptability enables the development of distinctive living room designs that can vary from a more eclectic contemporary aesthetic to ultra-modern minimalism. It is easier to match the living room's decor with the home's overall theme when you can experiment with different finishes, which opens up a world of design possibilities. The installation of PVC wall panels in living rooms is not just a visual upgrade but also a practical choice. These panels are known for their durability, resistance to moisture, and ease of maintenance, making them suitable for the dynamic environment of a living room. The ease with which they can be cleaned and their resistance to wear and tear make them an ideal choice for spaces that are used frequently. Furthermore, PVC wall panels offer excellent insulation properties, adding to the energy efficiency of the home. Using sleek and contemporary PVC wall panel designs in living rooms also entails taking a more environmentally conscious approach to interior design. The home's environmental impact is decreased because many PVC panels are recyclable and constructed from recyclable materials. Homeowners who are concerned about the environment and want to combine sustainability and style will find this feature especially appealing. PVC wall panels allow for a creative interplay of texture and light when designing a living room. Glossy panels can be positioned carefully to reflect either artificial or natural light, increasing the room's brightness and airiness. Conversely, textured panels create focal points in the room by adding depth and interest. The room's atmosphere can be drastically changed by the way light interacts with these surfaces, changing from a lively, energetic area during the day to a warm, private setting at night. In conclusion, the adoption of sleek and contemporary PVC wall panel designs in living rooms signifies a move towards spaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. By offering a blank canvas for individual expression and design experimentation, these panels present a creative way to reimagine the living area. PVC wall panels offer a solution that combines the best of contemporary design with sustainability and functionality, whether the goal is a subtle improvement or a bold statement.